I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
Use 8 ounces of cooked white fish, flaked. Start by poaching or baking a fillet until opaque, then cool and remove bones. Cooling preserves texture. Add 2 tablespoons of lemon juice and 1 teaspoon of salt to taste, along with 1/4 cup of crème fraîche and 2 tablespoons of softened butter for richness. Chop 1 small shallot and 1 tablespoon of chopped dill for aromatics. Chill the flaked fish for 30 minutes before blending to keep the mousse light and to help emulsify evenly. Pulse fish with 1/4 cup crème fraîche and 2 tablespoons butter until smooth in short bursts to avoid overheating. Add the chopped shallot and 1 tablespoon of chopped dill, then beat in 1 egg yolk for a silkier, more stable pate that holds shape when chilled. Scrape down the bowl and taste, adding 1 teaspoon of black pepper and up to 2 tablespoons more lemon juice if needed. Adjust texture with up to 1/4 cup cold water for spreadability and pulse once more to combine evenly. Transfer pate to a shallow dish or ramekin and smooth the top, then chill for at least 2 hours before serving to let flavors meld and firm the texture. For garnish, drizzle 1 teaspoon of olive oil and scatter extra dill or capers. Serve with toasted baguette slices, crackers, and lemon wedges for acidity. Refrigerate for up to 3 days in an airtight container or freeze in 4-ounce portions for 1 month. Thawing overnight in the refrigerator and stirring gently before plating for best quality.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.